Hey guys, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang, and today we are back with another edition of our BOSU Ball and top exercises that you can do. Today is all about the upper body. If you missed core, no worries. You can go back and do it. I'll put it down in the description. That'll take you straight to the top 3 picks just for your core. But today is all about upper body. Okay guys, so today all you need is that BOSU ball and you. And today I'm going to show you my top 3 picks when it comes to arm workouts on that BOSU ball. Did you know you could get an arm workout? Oh my goodness, I love this gadget. You can actually get a full body, and we are going to talk about that over the next couple of weeks. So move number 1 on your BOSU ball, and you knew that it was coming, is totally going to be a push-up. So from this, you can do this from your toes or your knees, but you're going to slowly lower your entire body down to that BOSU ball. It's going to be the flat part that you're working towards. The circular part of the ball will be the part touching the floor. You slowly lower your entire chest till it touches the BOSU ball, the flat part. You're then going to take both of your arms and reach them forward and then put them back in position and raise yourself back up. This is going to be a challenging move. Start with your knees and work up to your toes. Move number 2 is going to be the VIP for today's workout. For this one, we're going to do a tricep push up back to a bear crawl. And you're going to see on this video, this is a whole lot of struggling here, but that's okay because no exercise is going to be perfect. And this is just about trying and trying again to get that move. So with this exercise, we're going to place the round part of the ball facing up. And we're going to have a very narrow stance with our hands. From your toes or knees, you pick that, that's your option. And then you're going to do a tricep push up all the way down to that ball. Now what that means is you want to keep your arms super close to your body. So instead of your elbows coming out to the side like a traditional push up, you're going to keep them very close as they skim down the side of your body. Once you do that tricep push-up, push back up onto those toes. Your knees are going to hover over the floor and push back into a bear crawl. This is the magic right here. You're then going to set yourself back up and repeat the exercise. Exercise number 3 is a little bit of a combo, and you can pick which part of this that you would like to do. We are going to do a burpee, push-up, stand, push your BOSU ball overhead. I know, it's like, what is all kinds of stuff here? So all you're gonna do first is come down into a burpee and then do that push-up like we already did in move 1, straight down onto the BOSU ball. You're then going to lift yourself back up, pick up the BOSU ball and lift it overhead. You then repeat the move. Okay guys, so let's wrap this one up. So upper body, if I was going to do just these 3 exercises, again, I am one that likes to set a timer. I don't like to count reps. I set a timer for about 30 to 45 seconds and do as many as I can. Then I work down the rest of the list of the exercises. So I would do all 3 in a row, start back up at the top. So again, 30 to 45 seconds per exercise. I take about a 15-second rest and then move to the next one. So stick with me for the next video. We are moving on to legs. All right, guys, go be awesome.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.